Hello everybody, welcome to Harkins Technology. Today I'm going to show you how to do a DSM update in a Synology, a DiskStation Manager update. First, you're going to open up the control panel on your Synology. After you log in, you go to Update, and you simply just click Download this update, and it will start downloading and installing it. If you want to do it manually, you can go to the Synology website. On the Synology website, you search for your model of Synology that you have, and you can go in here and you can download the patch, the update firmware patch for it. Once you have this file, you can manually click on the DSM update, and for the file path you just downloaded, you can select it and it'll be a .pat file, and this will be your firmware update for your Synology. After you click update on your Synology button, you can click update now, and it'll actually start applying the update. It may reboot a few times, or sometimes just once, and it will take, it says 10 to 20 minutes to complete this update. Once your Synology comes back online, log back into it. You can go to the control panel again and see if the update was applied. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. This is how you update the firmware on a Synology. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.